aka everybody's favorite BBW. And I'm back again. Ooh, don't look at the nail. And I'm back again with another video. Since you're here, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is a travel vlog, clearly, as you saw with the title. And I'm in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I wish y'all could see my feet. We're gonna do a couple days here and then a couple days at another Airbnb. About to shut Puerto Rico down.
I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time, you were my everything. It's clear to see the time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I know that I will love you till the day I die. I will never want much more. In my heart, I will always be sure.
Hey y'all, so we are in Old San Juan, walking around. As you can see, hold on, the driver canceled. We're supposed to be going to the Pina Colada, first ever Pina Colada factory. They said the wait is an hour and a half. And every Uber, we're trying to go to another place called Ladies Place.
Yeah,
Ladies Place. Yeah, Ladies Place. And every Uber has canceled on us. So now we're just walking the Old San Juan streets. Good morning. Just came from breakfast at Burger King. Okay, hello. I'm about to go into this gift shop. I will show y'all in a little bit. Had to take cover at like a hotel drive-through, whatever the shit is called. It started raining. And I'm sorry, I haven't vlogged very much today. But we did go to the beach. I didn't vlog the beach, but I will put pictures somewhere here talking about the beach. or to show y'all me at the beach with my thong on, sticking my ass in a thong on a boat. All right. I probably will check back in with y'all. Ooh, got it. Check back in with y'all once we get to the food market. Bye, y'all. I got sand all over my face, don't matter. But went to Baecation for breakfast. It was good. I got the Super Bowl scramble. It was actually really good. The wait wasn't too long, but that's because it was a weekday. I heard on the weekends the wait is actually much longer. Now we're at Condado Beach, and it is beautiful. I feel so good. Minus the sand all over my fucking face. Shop Pressure Co. Hello. This is actually on the website. Not yet, actually. It will be dropping soon, but yes. I will talk to y'all later. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss B, aka Moneybagsbea, aka his favorite part is the fupa. I'm back again with another video. Right now we are in San Juan, Puerto Rico, like I've told y'all before, and we about to get into this tour. Last night was San Juan night. I woke up this morning with a mean hangover, but we moved. Had to transfer Airbnbs because I think the stay was for 4 nights, 3 nights at one and 4 nights at the other, or vice versa, however it plays out. Just left a place called Julio's Restaurant. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. My rice and beans is not that good. The sea moss, y'all. I don't know, but it got flies coming out of this shit, and I really want to go to the water. Hold on, y'all. Fly infested shit. Look at the waves, guys. See, I like beaches because I don't have a beach by me, so I have to enjoy it when I go. Travel to beautiful places like San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's so hard to vlog when you're actually enjoying yourself. I gotta get the hang of this. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Bye. y'all, it's Miss B, and I'm back again with another video. I think I checked in when we were at Patrick's Irish bar slash hip hop bar. Though I ask, I don't know. Took a stroll on the beach last night after Patrick's, and then just took an Uber back to the crib. I need to get up, take a shower, do my makeup to get these pictures. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back. I'm getting ready to go to Lord, don't let my nail, that's hair glue for my lashes. Getting ready to go to a hookah bar with Bae. I just have on like a dark lipstick that I use for lip liner, and then my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the color Sparkling Rose. And clearly you see there's no like good lighting in here. Tuesday is like a relaxing day, low key. And then now we out. We outside. Where we at, babe?
We are.
I'm supposed to say outside. Where we at, babe?
We outside.
I like to smell edible. Am I edible, baby?
Yes, ma'am. Very edible.
You heard it here first. Okay. We're about to call the Uber and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Okay. Okay, we just left Selfie. Now we are on our way. We actually just walking. It's not on our way to anything. It's just to the next situation, honestly. How did you like Selfie tonight?
It was fun. Selfies always like the same. Just bunch of, you know, us. You know what I'm saying?
It's so funny because people really be having their kids outside. The kids be in the bar, y'all. Babies,
Late night party.
toddlers, and just young kids be in the damn bar. And the shit is like hilarious.
They don't got security out front.
Right, the security lets the kids in. And it's a bar. They are smoking hookah, drinking liquor, jamming. I might show y'all. Ooh, babe. I'm gonna show y'all Old San Juan because I'm tripping and shit. Y'all saw that. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. It's Miss B and I'm back again with another video. And we actually came and we walked to a neighborhood brunch place, and apparently they have really good coffee. I don't drink coffee, so I wouldn't be able to tell y'all, but it is called or Buen Vecino Cafe. And I'm looking forward to the food because the reviews are really good, and it's only like a 6-minute walk from our Airbnb. So I'm gonna just show y'all the vibes, and I'll show you the menu. Inside, the menu is actually in Spanish, and then the gentleman that works here saw us struggling, so he gave us a menu in English.